Let's talk about tyGraph Pulse. The name comes from the fact that we're able to really tell you what's going on within your organization, literally the pulse of your Microsoft 365 installation. What do we mean by that? Well, first of all, we had talked about bringing in all that rich user department data. For example, I can look at my information systems department, my research development department, or enterprise service management. So when I click on this as a filter, I can see, where people are spending their time in the platform. So already we're starting to glean some information. Enterprise service management isn't using the platform in its entirety the way other pieces of the organization are, or other departments in the organization are. We can drill up and down through this organizational hierarchy from division, building, down to job titles. So I can see, how my senior engineers are performing or using the platform rather versus, say, support analysts, right? So if I'm an adoption change management person, I'm going to work with these different either job titles or departments or different parts of the organization to better understand what's going on. So from a Teams and Yammer perspective, I might want to run an organizational change management program to really drive adoption in those areas. However, if I'm a communicator, this really informs me as to where I'm going to be landing my messages. So if I'm dealing with senior IS managers, that tells me I can land my messages pretty much anywhere. However, if I'm dealing with support analysts, my propensity would be to look at maybe SharePoint versus, say, a Teams or a Yammer for landing my messages. The other big value, of course, is that we're collecting this data over time. As you can see, the time perspective here, we can get down into weeks, months, days, and literally years. So we can pull this data forward to whatever time perspective that you need, and we can retain and collect this data for all time. So this really gives you the best of data collection that's in market today.